or either I'm gonna get divorced, or my wife's gonna say that she loves me too much because we got another box there. Oh man, but this is what you guys wanted for sure. You guys have been asking me for this bad boy here for so freaking long, and since we are doing Vlogmas, today's just gonna be an open box. I'm gonna do a full detail installing this thing, so you definitely should consider subscribing. What's up, boys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here as always. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. We are doing the Vlogmas, which means videos every single day until Christmas, which is a couple of days away. Dude, I don't know why I'm up to this challenge, because it has been really tough with this. Is actually, just to let you guys know, is the worst time for my 9-to-5 job. I work with finance, and now we are closing the year. It's crazy, but I was like, I made a commitment with my audience, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna push to the limits. If you guys have an idea what I'm doing to keep up with the videos, editing until late at night, I have to spend time with my son. He's my priority. So then work, then wife. My wife is not actually in the third place, but she knows, she supported me. We had a deal to get this done, and that's what I'm doing. So if you can support the channel, subscribe, and also you can get the drone, you can get the GoPro, and hey, doesn't get any better than this. I'm telling you, a lot of people are not entered, so you have a really good chance. This GoPro here, dude, I'm almost open this thing. So, and the drone, I cannot tell anything, like, because you guys know how much I love the drone, how much, you know, I'm using, and I'm still learning. So what are you doing? Hey, what are we doing there? You want to do an open box? Let's do an open box. Let's do an open box. We got ourselves a box. If you wanna like a crazy fancy video, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? That's what you get myself a box and a couch. I think no, after the lift kit, this one was for sure the most requested mod to my truck. And after that was a tune, so we are getting there, right? Big thank you to Boost Auto Parts to work with me on this. Again, this is just gonna be open box because I'm still deciding what to do before we install. The install video is gonna be insane. But anyway, let's open this bad boy. And the reason why I'm not doing this in the garage is because it's so cold, so freaking cold. Wow, look at this. You got ourselves a t-shirt. Look at that. Love it. You know, decals. Loving it. So here we have a bunch of harness. We have the wiring, the hardware, and here are the mirror caps that we're gonna paint it. It's actually a kind of white, but definitely doesn't match with the truck. And here are the big boy the big boy that we always wanted. Oh man, I'm super excited about this. Look at that. Can you guys see you? And look at that. We went with the smoke light. I still have a couple of things that I'm thinking about to do, and that comes with the cap, right? So that's pretty much what it looks like. I didn't went sequential though, because I don't know, but I went with switchbacks. So those are switchbacks. I went with the reverse light and the turn signal here. Man, this thing is so nice. Oh man, I'm super excited. So now the question is, because I'm gonna paint it, should I paint it only the cap or the entire mirror white? I think the entire mirror white would be so cool, so different. What do you guys think? This is pretty much how it's gonna look like. Of course, this, you paint the color you, whoa, don't break it. You paint the color you wanted, right? I'm debating about painting the entire mirror though, because I think it would be so sick, so different. I mean, I'm super excited. This is definitely something. Here's the thing, a lot of you guys said about, you know, they stall, that it's painful, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step if you want to do on your truck, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do as far as paint goes. Maybe I'll send to somebody else to paint, or we're gonna wrap. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but definitely I want to do something different, as I always like to do, you guys know. And this thing here though, it's so sick. You have many different options. You can get no lights, you can get switchbacks, you can get sequential, you can get smoked. You kind of do your own, like, you know, you pick what you want. I went with the smoke and no sequential. I think because sequential doesn't really make too much sense, but and then they send you the caps that you can customize the color you want to match your truck, right? I'm pretty excited, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I paint the entire mirror or just the cap? That's what I'm debating, because then I will need to rush to get those paint, and we'll see. All right, boys, that will do for today. And the reason why I did that on my basement is because it's pretty cold today. 19 degrees outside. I was planning to take the truck for a ride. The Corvette, we're still waiting on the wide body. Bunch of stuff going on. The new truck's coming soon. It's actually at the shop, and that's why I'm not outside, just because the weather's, it's pretty cold. Even my garage is pretty cold. Sometimes I leave the door open there, so the heat from, it's pretty warm there because I have a coal stove, so here it gets warmer. But I don't know, I just don't feel like getting sick. I cannot get sick now. The last stretch of the Vlogmas, a lot of work on my 9 to 5, and here we go. We're not stopping, we're doing a bunch of stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts on the tow mirror for the Colorado, and what I should do. Do you think the entire white thing is gonna be nice, or just do the caps white? The only thing doing only the caps though, it's everybody does that. I feel like if I do the entire mirror, it's gonna be different, and it's gonna match perfect with the entire, you know, truck, since I have everything white. I'm pretty sure. Just need to check the budget, because that's very important. All right, don't forget to enter to Hard Work Force giveaway, so you help the channel, and you also get a chance to win something pretty cool, which is the GoPro. First of all, you take a nice merch or a nice puzzle or whatever, and also you get a chance to win, and you really help the channel. I'm trying to take, you know, my projects to a different level that a lot of people are not doing, so I'm trying to do, but I need your help. I would feel bad to ask you for money. I don't think that's the way, so I think the giveaway is a pretty nice way to help you guys, and you guys help me, besides of course watching, subscribe, right? Link in the description below. 5-time interest. We are almost over with the giveaway. I'm not sure which and when the next giveaway is gonna be. So make sure to help the channel, hardworkforce.com. I really appreciate your help. I know YouTube revenue is not great though, so that's why I try to do something on the side, so help to fund all my projects. So I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.